In this video, I will show you how to use the Python programming language with Arduino board by making a small application. So you can see I have connected Arduino board with computer using USB cable, and on the breadboard you can see LEDs, buzzer and a potentiometer is connected with Arduino board. So LED is connected with at pin number 11, buzzer is connected at pin number 8 and potentiometer is connected at pin number 3 of the Arduino board. So here you can see Python 3.8.3 is used here, and I am going to create a new file. So in which first of all we have to write import Pyfirmata, then we will import time for performing the delay. Then we have to write one variable name board is equal to Pyfirmata dot Arduino into bracket. We have to mention the COM port at which our Arduino board is connected. So you can see it from device manager. Here the COM port is 13. So we will have to write COM13. Then whenever we want to perform these analog and digital operations, we have to create one iterator. IT is equal to Pyfirmata dot util dot iterator into bracket board, and we will make IT dot start. This will help whenever we will perform analog or digital operations in our program. Then this iterator will use to stop the buffer overflow. So this iterator will help us to stop the inappropriate behavior of the program. So we need to write this instruction. Then we can perform the digital or analog pins. Okay, so let's create first of all for LED board. We have to write board dot digital into bracket 11, number is the pin at which our LED is connected. Write 1, then board dot digital dot pin number 8 at which we have connected buzzer. Write 1, so our buzzer will be turned on. Okay, then time dot sleep for 2 seconds. Then again we will write board dot digital into bracket 11 dot write 0, LED will be turned off. Board dot digital into bracket 8 dot write 0, so buzzer will be turned off. Okay, so it will be turned on for 2 seconds. Let me add one more thing again in the same code. Another way of defining the pins, okay, is we can create one variable. For example, I am creating a port as a variable in which I will write board dot get underscore pin. So we can also access the pin with this instruction. Into bracket we have to write in inverted comma if the pin is digital or analog. So we can write D is for digital, A is for analog. We have to write port is connected with number 3. Then we have to mention here the pin number. At pin number 3 our potentiometer is connected, and we have to mention whether the pin is input purpose or output purpose. So we will write I here. Okay. Similarly, we can also mention for the LED is equal to board dot get underscore pin into bracket. If it is digital, then we will write D. If it is analog, then we will write A. Here our LED is connected at pin number 11, so we will write 11. And if we want to perform the input, then I. Here our LED is for output purpose, so we will write O. But we want to operate this LED in PWM mode, pulse width modulated mode, so we will write P. So according to the potentiometer input we will operate the LED. So we will write here while true. This is for the continuous operation, and here we will turn on the LED. So LED dot write into bracket some variable, okay, and we will write the LED will be turned on when the input from the potentiometer is received. So we will create one more variable, c is equal to pot dot read. Okay, c is equal to pot dot read, and whatever the value of this pot dot read is to be written on the LED. So we will write c here. So we have to define c with 0 here, okay, outside the loop. And next we will provide some time dot sleep is 0.1 second, and we can also print the message on the display that LED on. Okay, so here is the code. Let's save this code. Okay, we will save this code with test 8, and we will run this module. Invalid syntax. We have to write board.digital into bracket pin number. Run module. You can see the buzzer is on, LED is on. So here I am. Run my code again. There's an error in line 21. Okay, so let me write these things. Okay friends, you can see the LED is on and message is also printed. So we can change the intensity of this LED by varying this potentiometer. So you can see intensity is changed. So this is how we can work with the Python programming language with Arduino board. Thank you for watching.